The history of Mamod steam engines, rise, innovation, and decline. Mamod steam engines are a beloved chapter in the history of toy manufacturing, symbolizing craftsmanship, innovation, and nostalgia. Founded in Birmingham, England in 1936 by Geoffrey Malins, Mamod specialized in making live steam-powered model engines, providing children and hobbyists with miniature replicas of industrial steam power. The name Mamod derives from Malins Models, a nod to its founder. The Rise of Mamod. In the early years, Mamod focused on affordable, durable, and easy-to-use steam engines. Unlike more intricate models by competitors such as Wilesco, Mamod's machines were designed to be accessible, using meths burners or solid fuel tablets to create steam. The engines powered everything from stationary models to working locomotives and road rollers. The post-war period was a golden era for Mamod. As the fascination with steam technology soared, Mamod expanded its line to include a variety of models, from traction engines and steamrollers to vertical engines. These toys weren't just playthings, they were educational tools, teaching the fundamentals of mechanical engineering and thermodynamics. The simplicity and charm of Mamod products made them popular in both the UK and overseas. Innovation and expansion. Mamod's designs were known for their robustness and timeless appeal. The steam engines featured bright enamel finishes, brass boilers, and functional mechanisms that demonstrated the magic of steam power. As the company grew, they introduced new models and improved safety features, like pressure relief valves to make them more family-friendly. One standout was the TE1A traction engine, launched in the 1960s. It became iconic for its realistic design and working features. The SE1 stationary engine and SR1 roller were also highly successful. By the 1970s, Mamod was at its peak, producing thousands of units annually and catering to a loyal global fan base. Challenges and decline. However, the rise of modern technology began to erode Mamod's dominance. By the late 20th century, children's interests shifted toward electronic and plastic toys, and fewer people had the patience to tinker with steam models. Health and safety regulations also made the use of live steam less appealing to parents, further reducing demand. Economic pressures in the 1980s and 1990s compounded the issue. Rising material costs, competition from cheaper foreign manufacturers, and changing market dynamics strained Mamod's operations. Attempts to modernize and diversify their offerings were only partially successful. Though Mamod continued to innovate with new models, their audience had dwindled significantly. Survival and legacy. Despite these challenges, Mamod never disappeared entirely. The company underwent ownership changes, but persisted by catering to a niche market of collectors and enthusiasts. While production numbers dwindled, the brand survived as a testament to British engineering and the enduring allure of steam power. Today, Mamod steam engines are cherished collector's items, and the company still produces models in limited quantities, focusing on quality and nostalgia. Enthusiasts maintain a vibrant community, trading vintage models and sharing restoration tips, keeping the Mamod legacy alive. While no longer a household name, Mamod remains a symbol of a bygone era when steam power inspired generations, embodying the spirit of ingenuity and hands-on learning. Its story is one of resilience and the enduring magic of steam.